Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Shalom, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Perkenalkan, nama saya Retni Asriani. Saya salah satu dosen di Akademi Komunitas Manajemen Perhotelan Indonesia, program studi Diploma 2, Akomodasi Perhotelan. Saya mengampu mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris Profesi atau disingkat BIP 3. Mata kuliah ini terdiri dari 3 SKS dengan durasi waktu 3 jam pelajaran. Mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris Profesi adalah mata kuliah yang bertujuan untuk mengajarkan mahasiswa agar memiliki kemampuan bahasa Inggris dengan lebih menekankan pada kemampuan berbicara, sehingga dapat membekali mahasiswa dalam mengenal dunia pariwisata, khususnya perhotelan, serta semua aspek bisnis dan pengelolaan yang terlibat di dalamnya. Proses pembelajaran bahasa Inggris profesi menekankan pemakaian bahasa Inggris dalam bidang atau bisnis pariwisata, khususnya perhotelan, baik secara lisan maupun tertulis. Adapun beberapa keterampilan yang diajarkan yaitu reading atau membaca, listening atau menyimak, speaking atau berbicara, dan writing atau menulis tentang topik-topik yang terkait dengan bidang dan industri pariwisata atau perhotelan, sehingga mahasiswa diharapkan memiliki kemampuan komunikasi baik dan tepat, khususnya dalam bahasa Inggris yang berhubungan dengan bisnis pariwisata ataupun perhotelan. Yang menjadi capaian pembelajaran mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris Profesi ini meliputi mahasiswa mampu menunjukkan kemampuan bekerja sama dan memiliki kepekaan sosial, serta kepedulian terhadap masyarakat dan lingkungan, menunjukkan sikap pemahaman dan bertanggung jawab atas pekerjaan di bidang perhotelan, menguasai pengetahuan konsep teoritis secara umum tentang hotel, menguasai pengetahuan konsep teoritis secara umum tentang room division, menguasai pengetahuan prinsip-prinsip dan pengetahuan prosedural pada telepon operator dan room reservation session, menyusun langkah-langkah dalam menangani keluhan tamu, melakukan kerjasama dalam menangani keluhan tamu, dan berkomunikasi dengan sopan. Menerapkan kemampuan menganalisis dan menangani keluhan dalam bahasa Inggris. Mengimplementasikan operasional kantor depan dan divisi kamar sesuai dengan standar hotel bintang 5. Mengimplementasikan penggunaan bahasa Inggris di setiap pertukaran informasi dalam operasional kantor depan dan divisi kamar, serta menangani keluhan tamu dan pemberian briefing. Mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris Profesi ini dilaksanakan selama 16 kali pertemuan dalam 1 semester. Untuk pertemuan pertama, saya melakukan perkenalan terlebih dahulu dengan mahasiswa untuk membangun interaksi yang baik antara pendidik dan peserta didik. Kemudian absensi dan membicarakan kontrak perkuliahan, termasuk tata tertib dan aturan serta penilaian selama perkuliahan berlangsung, menjelaskan rencana pembelajaran semester atau RPS, serta sedikit penjelasan umum tentang hotel knowledge-man. Pada pertemuan kedua, memahami konsep teoritis secara umum tentang hotel knowledge-man, room division, dan memberikan informasi kepada tamu dalam bahasa Inggris. Pertemuan ketiga, memahami prosedur telepon operator dan teknik reservasi room division, serta mampu memahami cara menganalisis keluhan tamu dalam bahasa Inggris. Pertemuan keempat, menyusun langkah-langkah dalam menangani keluhan tamu, memahami cara bekerja sama secara efektif dalam menangani keluhan tamu, serta menganalisis dan menangani keluhan dalam bahasa Inggris. Pertemuan kelima, penjelasan prosedur operasional kantor depan. Pertemuan keenam, berkomunikasi menggunakan bahasa Inggris dalam mengimplementasikan prosedur operasional kantor depan. Pertemuan ketujuh, penjelasan prosedur operasional divisi kamar. Pertemuan ke-8 mahasiswa akan mengikuti ujian tengah semester. Pada pertemuan ke-9, berkomunikasi menggunakan bahasa Inggris dalam mengimplementasikan prosedur operasional divisi kamar. Pertemuan ke-10, penjelasan operasional teknik reservasi, yaitu penanganan tamu check-in dan penanganan tamu check-out, serta mengelola pemesanan kamar. Pertemuan ke-11, berkomunikasi menggunakan bahasa Inggris dalam mengimplementasikan prosedur penanganan tamu check-in beserta contoh praktiknya. Pertemuan ke-12, berkomunikasi menggunakan bahasa Inggris, dan mengimplementasikan prosedur penanganan tamu check-out beserta contoh praktiknya. Pertemuan ke-13, berkomunikasi menggunakan bahasa Inggris dan mengimplementasikan prosedur dalam pengelolaan pemesanan kamar beserta contoh praktiknya. Pertemuan ke-14, penjelasan operasional penanganan surat atau barang kiriman tamu, melakukan briefing dalam bahasa Inggris. Pertemuan ke-15, berkomunikasi menggunakan bahasa Inggris dan mengimplementasikan penanganan surat atau barang kiriman tamu, melakukan briefing dalam bahasa Inggris beserta contoh praktiknya. Dan pada pertemuan ke-16, mahasiswa akan mengikuti ujian akhir semester. Metode yang saya gunakan dalam proses pembelajaran yaitu metode ceramah, diskusi, praktik, dan mode problem-based learning, di mana mahasiswa dibagikan menjadi beberapa kelompok dan mahasiswa berdiskusi tentang sebuah permasalahan yang sering terjadi di hotel dengan merumuskan dan menganalisis masalah hingga bagaimana menangani masalah dengan prosedur dan tujuan yang sesuai dengan apa yang telah dipelajari atau didapatkan pada proses pembelajaran. Beberapa referensi yang saya gunakan yaitu dari Freefield Alt, How to Handle Customer Complaints, dan buku Fred B, How to Handle Customer Complaints, Hassanian RD 2011, Handling Customer Complaint in the Hospitality Industry, Kaufman R 2012, 10 Tips for Effectively Handling Customer Complaints, dan referensi-referensi lainnya. Bobot penilaian pada mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris Profesi meliputi kehadiran, sikap, dan partisipasi itu 20%, penyelesaian tugas-tugas itu 20%, ujian tengah semester atau UTS 30%, ujian akhir semester atau UAS itu 30%, interval dan predikat nilai dengan skala 5 yaitu A sampai E. Berikut adalah video salah satu kegiatan belajar mengajar untuk diajukan dalam PDD UKTPT Pengajaran Serdosmart 2023. Hello, good morning everyone. Good morning. How are you today? Good. Who doesn't come today? Okay, Gilang. Okay, Gilang, Rosita, and Agus. Okay. What is the reason?
Gilang, Adin, saya karena Dewi.
Okay. Dewi.
Ya, Agus.
And then what about Agus?
Agus sakit.
And then Rosita?
Sakit.
Ah, Rosita sakit. So Rosita kirim informasi ke Kortinya, ke Korti. Oke. Kalau Agus sudah ada surat. Agus sakit juga?
Ya.
Oke. Yang Dewi sudah kirim bukti Dewi dari hotel atau restoran tempat Dewi. Oke. Now we are in a fourth meeting before we are going to start our material today, so it's better for us to pray before. Okay, let's pray together. Pray start. Thanks God for today. Now we are going to learn. We will start our teaching learning process. Please bless us from the first until the end of our teaching learning process. Thank you. Amen. Okay. Now, I want to ask you before, who still remember our material last week? Okay, our material last week. Who still remember about the guest?
Guest complaint.
Guest complaint. But now we will continue in our first meeting. We will continue about the guest complaint. How to handle that one. Okay. For today, nah, look at here, capaian pembelajaran. Jadi, kalian diminta untuk memiliki rasa tanggung jawab terhadap tamu dan berkomunikasi dengan sopan. Menyusun langkah-langkah dan menangani keluhan tamu, mampu bekerja sama secara efektif dalam menangani keluhan tamu, Dan nanti dalam bahasa Inggris kalian bisa menganalisis, mungkin juga mempraktekkan. Okay. This is of some reference that I got for this material. Okay. Now, this is the materials that we are going to discuss today. What is hotel complaint? What are the reasons of complaint? How to handle complaint effectively? And then, yep, the last, we are going to do the role play session. Okay. Nah, look at the slide. What is hotel complaint? Yeah, in the slide is a negative hotel customer experience. Of course, because the hotel get complaint from the guests, so it's negative. So who knows? What else? What is hotel complaint? Apa kira-kira hotel complaint? Complaint itu apa kira-kira? Khususnya di hotel. Who knows? You may raise your hand. Okay.
Okay, maybe the check-in process is so slow, Miss, and also the room is damp smell, and then it's not in the guest expectation for the room.
Okay, thank you, Famila, right? Oh, that's good. Okay, that's a kind of the complaint, right? Okay. Who knows? Hotel complaint. The other, okay.
In my opinion, hotel complaint is situation when the guests are not dissatisfied with the condition of the hotel.
Now we got negative and then dissatisfied. What else? Maybe the guests don't get like advantages when they stay in the hotel. Okay, if the hotel gets complaints, it has the potential to affect a property's success in a variety ways. What else? Jadi bahaya ya, banyak potensial negatif yang akan terjadi if the hotel gets complaint. Nah, for example, okay, who knows? Yeah.
Maybe the hotel not have the guests anymore.
The hotel will not get a guest anymore. Okay, yeah, reduce of the gas. Okay, who else? Who knows? Carolyn, okay?
Maybe the hotel will be bankrupt.
The hotel will be bankrupt and then close, right? So that's the negative effect. What else? Who knows? Kalau terus-terusan dikomplain, bisa jadi hotelnya close, tutup. So what about the owner? Will not get the profit, of course. Okay. Nah, the next, several reasons the guests complain, such as, okay. Yep, who can read it? We can read it. In room, clean lines, concern, that's the first. Unpleasant others, problem with the temperature, trouble with the Wi-Fi. Apalagi? Lack of free service of amenities. The hotel is too noisy. Yeah, there are so many reasons the guests complain. But I want to ask again. I think you did your training before, right? In vocational school maybe. Yep, you did your training, and then I believe that you have ever got guest complaint. Nah, kalau yang dari 12 ini, kalian pernah mengalami komplain yang mana dari tamu?
Trouble with the Wi-Fi.
Okay, Arlene, you got number 4, trouble with the Wi-Fi, and then you get guest complaint. Okay, the guest complaint to you. Okay. Who else? Rian, you get number what? In what number?
Miss, a few days ago, I got complaint from the guests. The guests complained about the room is very moldy and stained. I already told the housekeeping to clean up the room, but the guests refused and still angry. Maybe Can you give me solution how to handle it step by step, Miss?
In the next slide, we will discuss about that one. Okay, Ryan, that's your experience, right? That's include in number one about room. Yeah, really good. Could you tell me why? Gitu kan. And then the guest will explain more and more, so you get the information detailly. Yes. Next, role play. I'm going to divide you into 3 groups now, but the groups, I think it's based on the group that I have divided before. So you may find again that groups, your own groups. But sorry, I wanna ask who didn't come today. Sorry, who doesn't come today? Gilang, Rosita, and Agus. So 3 students do not come today. Okay, I know Gilang, and then I know Rosita, and then Agus. I will check in the attendance list later. Don't forget to sign your attendance list, right? Okay. Next, you may spread out and then find your own group and then discuss about this one. You will do the role play. Okay. Okay, 5 minutes enough?
Enough, Miss.
Is it enough? Okay. Okay, Widya. Where's your group? Okay, we join to your group. Okay, where's your group? Okay, good. Wow. Okay. So, for the sentences that you are going to use in the conversation, you may use your own sentences, polite sentences from you, not based on the slide. It's monotone, right? Not only from me, because there are so many kinds of sentences. Apologize sentence, and then the sentences or the praise to take action. Okay, so you may discuss it. 5 minutes.
Okay. Kalau
From your training,
Kini
Yes.
kan di FO nih.
one case from one group, only one case, and then you will present it. Present the role play in front of the class. Okay. Okay, you may discuss it. You may discuss. You may asking some question with your friends. Arrange the conversation. Okay. What is the problem that you are going to take? What is the problem? Maybe the guess who has the experience.
2 days ago, I have a complaint with the guest because the bathroom not good smell, and I take the air freshener to spray in our bathroom.
Oh, in the hotel.
Yes.
Good. Oh, that's you got a problem before. It's your experience. You may use it. You may use it. So, who is the guest? Okay. For others, maybe you need to help for your share. Your idea, share your idea to your friends, and then one of you write down the dialogue. Okay. The problem is. What is the problem before?
The smell in
The smell in a guest bathroom. Okay, write down the problem. Make it group 1. Are you ready?
Ready?
Ready? Yeah. Okay, maybe firstly you may introduce like you did before, introduce yourself, and then your friends, the role play that you are going to do. What is the topic? Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Morning. So today we are from group 1. We have a problem, and we will discuss the problem with the role play. Before we start the role play, we will introduce our group, yeah. My name is Putureng Kertadinata, and
My name is Radhani Kuspayanti. I'm today with Musta.
Gue Widya Sapande.
And before we start, we will tell you about the problem ya.
Problem, okay.
So we will discuss. Jadi ada tamu, dia check in, tapi kamarnya itu tidak sesuai dengan apa yang dia booking. Jadi gimana kita menyelesaikan masalahnya bakal kita lakukan dengan role play ya, biar semuanya juga ngerti.
Okay, so before you start your action, maybe are you guys finished? Okay, back to your seat maybe. Okay. Okay, Vidya, back to your seat.
Oke, jadi di sini peran kita masing-masing itu saya sebagai manajer,
Dan saya sebagai resepsionis.
Saya sebagai guest.
Saya sebagai bellboy dan saya sebagai
jadi mari kita mulai role play-nya ya.
Okay.
Alright, Mr. Arlin, this is your room, and then this is your room key.
Okay, thank you.
Is there anything else about your room?
What the type of the room?
This is for your room. Maybe this is the wrong room for you.
Yeah, I'm booking suite room, not this room. I don't like this room.
Oh, I'm really sorry. Maybe I will call the receptionist for the room. Can change the room.
No. I will come to receptionist now. I will double check our booking.
Alright, sorry for this problem.
It's okay, no problem. I will come to a receptionist. I don't like this room. Oh my god. Hello, excuse me.
Welcome to Indigo Hotel. Can I help you? Excuse me?
I'm checking today,
Yes.
and my room is wrong
Wait a moment, I will check this.
because I'm booking the suite room, not deluxe room. I don't like this room.
Oh, okay. Please wait a moment. I will check the system. I'm so sorry, Miss Lakshmi, for the system is the type the room. No. I'm so sorry. And
And I need to change the room because I booked the suite room, not deluxe room. I need to ask to your manager.
I see. Wait a moment. I will call to the manager.
Please now.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so hungry, honey. Oh my god.
Okay. It's really good. Pak Rian, di sini ada tamu yang komplain masalah jenis kamarnya. Boleh minta ke depan? Dia mau ketemu langsung.
Oh my
Tamunya atas nama
god.
siapa?
Miss Laksmi sama Mr. Kavin.
Oke, baik, saya ke depan sekarang ya.
Baik, ditunggu.
Halo, good morning.
This is your manager, right?
Yeah, I am Rian, manager of Indigo.
I'm booking suite room, and your receptionist give me the deluxe room, not suite room, and I need suite room today.
Okay, I'm so sorry about that ya. I will check your reservation before. Please,
Okay, please.
Miss Lakshmi, in here we got your reservation for suite room.
Yeah, I'm booking suite room.
Yeah, but I do apologize for today because we are fully booked because of group.
Oh my god, it's fully booked today.
Yeah, so we only have deluxe room. So maybe if you want tomorrow, we can change the room to suite room.
Just deluxe room today?
Today we only have deluxe room left.
You don't have suite room today?
Yeah, because we are fully booked today. I'm so sorry about that, Miss Lakshmi. Maybe for tomorrow I can guarantee you, I can arrange you for suite room,
Yeah.
and then I will give you complimentary.
What?
If
What
you
is
want,
complimentary?
Free dinner for tomorrow. Free
Free dinner,
romantic
Lakshmi?
dinner for tomorrow.
It's okay.
Up to you.
Oh my god, just free dinner?
Yeah, we have free dinner, romantic dinner for you.
Romantic dinner?
Yes, and I guarantee you for the suite room for tomorrow.
Take this.
Will you take this?
Yes. No problem.
I'm not sure it's tomorrow I will change the room to suite room.
Yes, and also if you have any plan for tomorrow to go outside, maybe you can picking your luggage in the room, and then my colleagues will help you with the luggage and bring it to the new room.
Okay. My luggage, please. The bellboy, come to my room.
Yeah, I will apologize once again, Miss Lakshmi and Mr. Arlin. It was our
Okay.
mistake. Yeah.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry
I
about
give the
that.
complimentary.
Sorry.
And my bag?
Yeah, my bellboy will help you with the bag.
Okay.
Alright, I will escort you to your room.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. It was really good, right? Yeah. Okay. Closing dulu.
Okay, that's all about our role
Role play
play.
today.
Sorry because we have banyak kata-kata yang salah mungkin atau banyak grogi, kekurangan juga ya.
Okay.
Tapi mudah-mudahan kalian semua mengerti tentang case-nya ini.
Okay.
Kita sama yang Miss bahas tadi, 4 hal itu perlu dilakukan untuk menangani konflik. Itu aja sih dari kelompok kita.
Ya.
Terima kasih, selamat.
Terima kasih. Thank you so much. Back to your seat. Nah, iya, itu dari kelompok 1 tadi ya. And then remember doing the take. What is the 4? Follow up after take action. You follow up again the guest. Tadi ada complimentary juga ya. Itu penting. Jadi 4 tadi sudah dilakukan, tinggal follow up aja ya. Nanti kalau ketemu lagi dengan tamunya, if you meet the guest and then ask again. Okay. And then if you get any problem or issues, don't forget to contact. Okay, contact me or come to the receptionist desk. For the next meeting, because our time is due to finish today, for the next other groups we can continue it next week. Ya. Nah, tadi problem-problemnya tadi for your homework mungkin dicatat. Nah, kira-kira sudah mendengarkah tadi grup pertama? Listen. Nah, you review. Please review for the first group. And then apologize-nya sudah belum? They did apologize or not? And then what was the what did the action, or what was the action? Good. What did they do for the action? And then what was the action sentence? Okay? Yeah. Thank you for today. I hope for the next group can do the role play properly also. Okay guys, thank you for today. No question anymore? No. Okay. You are really great today, right? Okay, thank you so much, and then see you next week. Okay, for the next group. Bye. Thank you so much. Okay.